Okay, guys, so we have a polynomial linear regression. It's kind of very easy until and unless you come to a point where you have to find the inverse of 3 cross 3 matrix. That's why this is the only problem in the question, if I'm not wrong. See, next we have logical regression. So you just have only one problem in the textbook. So we will by heart the final answer. But how to find and I mean reach till there and do all the other solving, I'll just show you. See, they'll give this only two things, x and y. Remember, in polynomial it can be of 4 degree. See, 1 to 1 degree means you just have like p of x is equals to 1 plus x. Then 2 degree means you will have x square. 3 degree means 3 cube, I mean x cube. Okay, 2 square, I mean x square, x cube. 4 degree means x to the power of 4. Now, how have to solve this using apply the polynomial regression computation. Mm, Consider the data provided and fit it using the second order polynomial. Okay, second order we have to do. That's why that second degree, second order, same. So what you have to do, you have to calculate. You have x and y. What you do, multiply these two, write it x y. Then get this square, write it. So you wrote here x y, x square. Then multiply this x square value into y. What will become? X square into y. Then find x cube. Then at the end find x to the power of 4. Now, once you find all the values, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to get the, what to say, summation of it. Remember, you are not taking a mean over here like how we did in a linear regression. Here we are doing just, what to say, summation. Okay, what's the summation of each value? See, 1 plus 2 plus 10, you just have to add all of it. Now, what you have to do, wherever y is being involved, see 1, 2, 3, it will be in the equal side, equals to y, xy, x square y. Same value, see 29, 96 and see 338 here as it is. This even we already have these values here itself. What is 4 is the number of instances 1, 2, 3, 4. Then x summation of x 10, summation of x square. Now x summation of x square, summation of x cube. Here square, cube and 4. So I'll write just a number 4, 3, 2. Here nothing. Here just summation of x, x square. Here x square. Here cube. Here just x. That is nothing but 1. Okay, that's it. Once you get this, now you can simply send this matrix below this. So in the divider, if 1 by x is also equals as x to the power of minus 1, that's what x inverse. So this matrix will undergo an inverse. Inverse of this matrix into this matrix will give you the final answer. Now, like I said, you in the multiple linear regression, finding an inverse of 3 cross 3 matrix is very big. You have this same question, finding an inverse of a matrix in M3, if I am not M3, M2, where you have to, I mean, where you get, I think it's a 10 marks question itself directly. Finding an inverse itself is a 10 marks question, and those bloody VTU people have given that what to say in this question for 10 marks. So it should be basically of 20 marks question, but we will directly by heart the answer, that is this. Once we by heart the answer, is very simple, minus 0.759575. See, simple, right? The previous multiple linear regression, see, it was see, I forgot so soon, but you shouldn't forget, you just have to remember it. You can see here, this was the value minus 1.69, 3.48, minus 0.05, like that. So here this is very easy, 759575. So here again same like that, y is equals to minus 0.5, this x, and here x square, minus 0.5 plus 0.95x plus 0.75x square. That's it. Polynomial regression, very easy, right? Just study the theory little part. If then you solve the problem, you will understand what is called what, and you can simply explain what is polynomial regression using this itself. You just have to remember one or two formulas, how you take summation, what you find out. That's it. Then we'll go to the logistic regression.